Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from ByBit and transfer your crypto to Binance. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on ByBit, if you want to go ahead and withdraw, you want to go to Assets, and from here you will see an option to withdraw. You want to click on it. Now you're going to choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So for example, we want to go ahead and transfer TON. And after that, you want to go ahead and find the address on Binance. So we're going to go to Binance on wallets. And now we're going to find TON as we already have it. You will see it here. And we're going to click deposit. After that, you're going to choose Toncoin network. Now you will see deposit address and a memo, and you need both of those, otherwise you will lose your coins. So I'm just going to copy the address first and paste it to ByBit. So you go ahead and paste it right there. After that, as you can see, you need a memo and it is required. So let's go back and copy and again paste it here. After you have pasted the memo, you're going to enter the amount you want to withdraw from ByBit and click withdraw. After that, your TON will be on Binance. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.